Today we are going to look at how you can convert the coordinates in degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degree. So I have used a handheld GPS to do a survey, and then I've collected data in longitude and latitude, and they are in the form of degree, minutes, seconds. Usually when you have this data, for you to be able to plot in most GIS software, you have to convert the data into decimal degree. And so that is what we are going to look at in our tutorial today. To do that, we need to first of all look at how we can convert from degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degree. And this expression over here is normally what is used to convert from degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degree. So this is decimal degree. To get that, it is the degree plus the minutes divided by 60. We are dividing by 60 because 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 degree. And then also plus the seconds divided by 3,600. And this 3,600 is there because 3,600 seconds makes 1 degree. So this is the formula we are going to enter into our spreadsheet we have over here. To do this, I have to create a column for the latitude. This is the latitude coordinates in degree, minutes, and seconds. So I have to create a column over here just after the seconds for the latitude, and then I will call this one decimal degree. Then I'll do same also for the longitude coordinates. I will also create a column here. Then I'll call this. Now, to convert the coordinate from degree, minutes, seconds, I have to write a formula. And in Excel, the formula begins with the equals to. So I put the equals to there, then I select the degree cell plus seconds, but I will open the minutes. I'm sorry, the seconds. I will open brackets, select the minutes, divide it by 60, close the brackets, plus the seconds. Let me also open brackets for the seconds. Select the seconds, divide by 3,600, and then I'll close the bracket. Then I'll hit equal. So I have converted this degree, minutes, seconds coordinates into decimal degree. However, let me say that for this coordinates, all the longitude were in the west. Because they are in the west, I need to introduce a negative sign for it. If they were in the east, then I would have kept the coordinates in the positive. So I'll introduce a negative sign, and then I'll put all the expression in one bracket. Okay, then I have that. So now I have converted the coordinates for the first points, degree, minutes, seconds. If I want to duplicate for the rest of the points, I can click and then I can drag. Okay, if I have a lot of points, dragging becomes a challenge because I need to do a continuous drag. So I would rather double click and my cursor changes to the plus sign, then it do that for the rest coordinate. Now we will do same also for the latitude. I would introduce my equals to sign under the decimal degree column, select the degree, plus open bracket, select the minutes, divide by 60, close the bracket, plus open brackets again, select the seconds, divided by 3,600, close the bracket, then hit enter. I will expand this, then I would also duplicate the rest of the coordinates by double clicking when my cursor changes to this black box here. So now I have my coordinates for the longitude in degree, minutes, and decimal degree, sorry, and then for the latitude also in decimal degree. Now I want this to be on a new spreadsheet so that I'll be able to plot. So what I'll do is to open a new spreadsheet, click on File, and then open a new spreadsheet. Then go back to the previous spreadsheet that contains the conversion. Copy the cells that I'm interested in. I'll copy this first cell, which is serial number. I'll paste it here. second, which is the longitude. I'll copy this longitude, or maybe I'll just type longitude over here. And the last one is going to be the latitude. So I'll go back, copy the longitude coordinates in decimal degree, copy it, then I'll come here and paste as values, because in the conversion is a formula I wrote. If I paste, it will also paste the formula and no values will be pasted. So I'm interested in the values. So I will right click and then I'll paste the values. Then I'll go back, do same also for the latitude, copy all the latitude coordinates. Then I'll come to the latitude here and I will also paste. Go back and copy it again. Right click, and paste values. Then I'll copy this ID field. Paste. So now I have my coordinates in decimal degree, and I've arranged it in a 4-column data. The first column is the serial number, second is the longitude, third is the latitude, and the fourth column is the. Therefore, I'll save this, go to File, Save As, navigate to a folder I want to save in. So I am doing all my work in a folder I've created on my drive C. So I'm working in this folder, and I'll give it a name. I will call it field work. But let me call it coordinates. Let's use the name field work coordinates. Please note that we are going to save this as a CSV file, and therefore we should not leave a space in the name. If you want to leave a space, introduce dash or underscore, and I'll change the file type here to CSV file, which is CSV comma delimited, which is over here, CSV comma delimited, and I'll save it. Okay. So I'm done. I can close it. I would also save this. When I go into the folder where I save everything, it will be in that folder. So if I go into the folder, the coordinates that I saved, actually, that is it. Okay, so that's how you do a conversion from decimal degree. I'm sorry, from degree minutes seconds to decimal degree. Then you save it in Excel.